to stand forth, please, Mr. Sasaki?
Yes. ちょっと。
Go ahead, please.
Hey. Good morning and good afternoon. I am Kazuo Sasaki, President of Challenge Corporation. I would like to explain Earthquake Sensor Alarm System EQGuard. At first, I will show you 1 minute video.
Natural disasters have drastically impacted many people's lives around the world. Due to geographical reasons, earthquakes and tsunamis occur especially frequently in Japan. Introducing EQGuard, an earthquake sensor alarm device which was designed to save people from earthquakes and tsunamis. The EQGuard can react to near epicenter earthquakes that occur suddenly. The alarm is available in 11 different languages, and it displays the seismic intensity of various places on a real-time map. It is also able to distinguish 0.1 gal of noise, so it can distinguish between actual earthquakes and other vibrations, preventing false alarms. EQGuard has a sensor which detects the initial small vibrations of an earthquake and issues an alarm immediately before any significant tremors occur, allowing people to evacuate safely. It can function as a standalone device or connect to other units to create a regional network. It can also be used as a shutdown system at chemical plants and train stations. EQGuard aims to save lives around the world from earthquakes and tsunamis.
We are maker of disaster and security related products as well as systems. One of the main products is Earthquake Sensor Alarm Equipment EQGuard. EQGuard has sensor inside. It detects small vibration and issue alarm immediately. Function of EQGuard: when earthquake occurs, sensor detects initial small vibration and issue alarm immediately, and show display at your PC, and send control signal to elevators, machines, and trains in order to stop it. And we can make a network, and evacuation drill can be conducted only by pushing test button. So totally, EQGuard can help save people from earthquake. This is our customers, many private companies, Yamaha Toto, many schools, nursery, and also many countries. The benefit of EQGuard: first, EQGuard can work as a standalone. Only connect to power and the internet. It works immediately. Second, we can construct a regional earthquake alarm system by making network. If you install EQGuard near epicenter area, when earthquake occurs, sensor detects, issue alarm, and send data to data center. Data center collect data and analyze epicenter location and magnitude, and send data to all EQGuard and issue alarm, so everybody can evacuate safely. People inside the building hear the alarm, immediately evacuate, drop, cover, hold on. This action is very simple. It takes only 3 seconds. So 80% of deaths could be prevented by 5 seconds prior alarm if people were well trained. Observation plus alarm plus evacuation drill save people. Evacuation drill is necessary even in strong building. Because of a building shaking, people standing will hold, hit it, and get injured. This is a video of middle school in Romania.
Învățământ faceți? Da! Ce limbă faceți? Engleză. Vreți să știți cum sună bună ziua în limba? Ok.
Quakes coming. Quick tremors approaching. Stay calm. Take cover.
We also conducted seminar before evacuation drill. Here is 150 students.
16 seconds later, and big vibration come. 30 seconds, so...
Facem de domnul Sasaki, după aceea facem cu toți. A auzit alarma și a acționat, da?
They mastered how to evacuate only by half-day seminar. Ikigai can be used not only earthquake, but also for tsunami. We contribute to ISO activity for smart city and DRR. We have set up a working group at ISO. We can save people all over the world. Let's save people. Let's save the world. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sasaki. So from now, we will have very short speeches.